So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hey boy, what's up y'all? It's your boy Jordan, and I've been painting again, bro. I changed my mind again. Also, the sticker messed up my original paint, so I pretty much had to change my mind. I didn't have to change my mind, but I did. But good lord, man! Shout out to my boy Dave and shout out to my boy Tiptoe Trey, bro. I've got pretty much one-to-one calipers, maybe. Let's turn around, and bam. Half red, half white. Reminds you of the dash and the engine bay. And I got this crispy, clean paint. I'm clearing it right now. I got a hair dryer. It's about 50 degrees, so I've been heating up, clearing it. Had the paint cans in the hot water bucket. And just laying it on. I don't know if I'm gonna put the Brembo'S SRT sticker, y'all let me know. I don't know for sure yet because it looked crispy without it, but it will look good with it. But I know I probably gotta let this dry for a couple of days before I actually put the sticker on there. So y'all let me know, but that's the back. I already finished with the other side. And this is the front. A lot of people like take it off, take the calipers off the car. No, nigga. You know how much trouble it is to freaking bleed the brakes? Yeah, if you clamp the hose, but you still gonna have to bleed the brakes, so no. Plus, that's how I do all my work, bro. Leave it on, block it off. If any extra get on the roller and anything. So what? It'll just burn off. But that's how we looking right there. Over here, that's how we looking right there. Oh boy. That's how we looking with this one. Look at that. You go down the spokes. Both of those, bro. Look at those doors. Man, go down the spokes. Man, look at that. Clean. Sure. Yep, that's how you do that, boy. Y'all stick with your boy, man. I'll be done in a second. I'm so indecisive. I can't even go on mine, but this is final right there. That's final.